Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law in Kolkata. First, begin by thoroughly researching the various law programs and colleges available in the city. It's crucial to understand the specific eligibility criteria for each course, as these can vary significantly. Many programs require a minimum of 45% marks in your qualifying examination. Next, focus on preparing for the common law entrance examinations, which are a gateway to most reputable institutions. After identifying potential colleges, your next step is to apply for the relevant national and state-level law entrance tests. These exams are competitive, so dedicated preparation is key. When choosing a college, consider factors like its ranking, the expertise of its faculty, and the overall course structure. Also, evaluate the campus facilities and resources available to support your legal education journey. To excel in your law studies, develop a consistent and disciplined study schedule. Focus on understanding legal concepts deeply, not just memorizing them. Utilize a variety of resources, including standard legal textbooks, academic journals, and reputable online platforms. Additionally, actively seek out internships and moot court experiences. Practical exposure is invaluable for applying theoretical knowledge and building essential legal skills. Upon graduation, a law degree from Kolkata opens up diverse career paths, from litigation and corporate law to public service and academia. Continuously network with legal professionals, professors, and alumni to gain insights and opportunities. Remember, lifelong learning is crucial in the legal field. Also, make sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other valuable deals. Keep learning and growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.